Have you ever wondered what lies beyond the night sky? As we stand on this tiny blue dot we call Earth, we're surrounded by a universe that's vast, mysterious, and incredibly beautiful. This limitless expanse above us is filled with celestial bodies that tell stories of time, space, and everything in between. You might think you need fancy equipment to explore these celestial wonders, but that's not the case. Stargazing, in its truest sense, is a simple activity. All you need are your eyes, a clear night, and a sense of curiosity. From the comfort of your backyard, you can journey across the cosmos, marvel at constellations, and even spot planets. And that's what we're here to talk about today: how to observe the enchanting night sky without a telescope. With a few hacks and a dash of patience, you can unlock a world of cosmic wonders. Prepare to embark on a journey across the cosmos, right from your backyard. Finding the right location is the first step in your stargazing adventure. Imagine a dark, tranquil space, far removed from the hustle and bustle of city lights. A place where the night sky unfurls its celestial tapestry in full glory, uninterrupted by artificial illumination. This space could be a quiet corner of your backyard, or perhaps an open field on the outskirts of town. The key is to find a location that offers a clear, expansive view of the sky. Now, to truly immerse yourself in the stargazing experience, comfort is essential. Consider laying out a soft blanket or a reclining lawn chair. This will allow you to lay back and gaze upward without straining your neck. Add a few pillows, maybe a cozy blanket, and voila! You've created the perfect stargazing haven. With your cozy stargazing spot ready, the night sky waits to be explored. Knowing your way around the night sky enhances the stargazing experience. The night sky in all its infinite beauty can be a bit overwhelming at times. But fear not, with a few simple tips, you can start mapping the stars and become a seasoned stargazer in no time. Think of the sky as a vast, uncharted ocean. And just like sailors of old, we can use constellations as our landmarks. These clusters of stars form recognizable patterns, and once you get the hang of it, you'll see that they're not too hard to spot. Begin your journey with the Big Dipper, one of the easiest constellations to identify. From there, you can arc to Arcturus, the fourth brightest star in the night sky. Following the arc of the Big Dipper's handle will lead you straight to it. Next, let's visit Orion, the hunter. Look for 3 bright stars in a straight line. That's Orion's belt. From there, you can spot the bright stars Betelgeuse and Rigel, marking the hunter's shoulders and feet, respectively. Lastly, find the W or M-shaped constellation, Cassiopeia. She's never too far from the North Star, making her a reliable guide in the northern sky. Remember, the night sky changes throughout the year, so different constellations become visible as seasons change. With these constellations as your guides, you are ready to navigate the cosmos. Modern technology can be a stargazer's best friend. Imagine having a personal guide to the cosmos right in your pocket. That's exactly what stargazing apps offer. These applications use your smartphone's GPS and accelerometer to create an interactive map of the night sky tailored to your location and orientation. You'll find a plethora of options out there, but here are a few standouts. Skyview and StarChart provide detailed celestial maps, while Night Sky offers an augmented reality experience, overlaying constellations and celestial bodies onto your phone's camera view. For those seeking more knowledge, Sky Safari packs a wealth of information about astronomy and space science. Remember, these apps aren't just for identifying stars and constellations. They can also alert you to upcoming celestial events and help you track the movement of planets. Armed with technology, the mysteries of the night sky are at your fingertips. Even without a telescope, there are ways to bring the stars a little closer. One of these is by using a simple pair of binoculars. Now you might be thinking, binoculars? Really? But hear me out. Binoculars can offer a wide field of view, making it easier to scan the night sky and identify clusters of stars and other celestial bodies. They may not provide the same magnification as a telescope, but they can certainly enhance your stargazing experience. Now, let's talk about preserving your night vision. It's a crucial aspect of stargazing that often gets overlooked. When our eyes adjust to the darkness, we're able to see fainter stars and galaxies. Enter the red flashlight. The red light is less harsh on the eyes and doesn't interfere with your night vision as much as white light. So, if you need to read a star map or find something in your stargazing kit, use a red flashlight. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference. Also, keep in mind that patience is key. Your eyes need time to adjust to the darkness, so don't rush. Take your time, relax, and let your eyes do the work. With these tools, the night sky reveals even more of its secrets. So go on, grab your binoculars and red flashlight, and let's continue our celestial exploration. The night sky is a stage for spectacular celestial events. Each night, astronomical phenomena unfold above us, offering a show of cosmic proportions. These celestial events are as varied as they are beautiful, ranging from meteor showers and lunar eclipses to planetary alignments and even the occasional comet. Meteor showers, for instance, are caused by the Earth passing through the debris left by a comet. Imagine it as cosmic confetti thrown across the Earth's path. When these tiny particles hit our atmosphere, they burn up and create streaks of light across the sky. The best part, you don't need a telescope to enjoy this celestial spectacle. Just find a dark, open area and look up. Lunar eclipses are another captivating celestial event. This happens when the Earth comes between the sun and the moon, casting a shadow on the moon. The moon may take on a reddish hue during the eclipse, a phenomenon often referred to as a blood moon. Again, no telescope required, just a clear view of the moon. Planetary alignments, or conjunctions, occur when two or more planets appear close together in the sky. This is a treat for the eyes as the planets shine brightly and can be seen with the naked eye. These celestial events offer a unique and breathtaking stargazing experience. So, mark your calendars, find a comfy spot, and get ready to witness the wonders of the universe unfold right before your eyes. Remember your stargazing experience by capturing the motion of the stars. Time-lapse photography is a fantastic method to document the celestial dance you observe during your stargazing sessions. It's like having your personal window into the cosmos, showcasing the movement of stars and celestial bodies as Earth rotates on its axis. The beauty of time-lapse photography lies in its simplicity. You'll need a camera, preferably a DSLR or mirrorless one, a sturdy tripod, and a little bit of patience. Start by setting your camera on the tripod and point it towards the part of the sky you want to capture. Set your camera to manual mode, select a long exposure time, and use a remote trigger or a self-timer to avoid any camera shake. Next, you'll want to take continuous shots over several hours. This could be anywhere from 2 hours to an entire night, depending on how long you want your time-lapse to be. And remember, the darker the location, the better your time-lapse will turn out. Once you've captured your series of images, you'll use software to stitch them together into a seamless video. This will create the effect of the stars moving across the sky, a sight that's as enchanting as it is humbling. With time-lapse photography, you can witness the celestial dance in a whole new way. Stargazing is more than just observing. It's an adventure. It's about connecting with the universe, feeling the thrill of discovery, and immersing ourselves in the awe-inspiring spectacle of the cosmos. Throughout this journey, we've learned how to select the perfect spot away from city lights, use stargazing apps to map the stars, enhance our view with binoculars and a red flashlight, keep an eye out for celestial events, and even capture the sky's majesty with time-lapse photography. Remember, you don't need a telescope to start this adventure. The sky is full of stories and mysteries that are just waiting for you to uncover. So why not step outside tonight? Let the stars guide you. Let the night sky inspire you. The night sky is a treasure trove of wonders waiting to be discovered. So head out tonight and gaze up at the stars.